Crypto, some of when we say the stock set him up and buy sells in WS cost of my staff first the graphics by you plan and sell. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski dash on the lightning round. Chris, I'm going to start with Lori in Florida. Lori.
Booyah, Jim. Okay,
Booyah, Lori.
Looking to expand my portfolio to include lithium. I'm considering Lithium Americas.
No, Lori. Wrong one. You went Albemarle. Even though it's up a lot, it's a much safer stock. The symbol is ALB. Let's go for that one. I need to go to Scott in Indiana. Scott.
Good evening, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
My pleasure.
Anyway, happy holidays to you and your team and your families, and especially Josh and Dylan. They do a great job. You're a lucky man to have those guys on board.
So am I ever. I'm looking at one of them as to say, hey, man, good job. Okay.
Thank you. My question is about D-backs. I bought D-backs 3 years ago in February for $12.
Congratulations. You know that one's done. They got that nice bid from Santa Fe. I'm going to actually go out there and talk to them about that. That's a FB shot. Well played, my friend. How about Maria in Florida? Maria.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I am good, Maria. How are you? Same.
Good. Thank you for empowering everyday investors like me.
Oh, I sure
Jim,
try.
Yeah, I'm underwater, Jim. For the last several months, I've been suffering through a down spell with Talen Energy. I bought and sold this stock several times in 2025 and made a profit. However, on this last cycle, it's been challenging. I bought back
No, I think you're okay. Actually, Maria, I think you're okay. It's come down. I know it's come down a lot, but it's only down 1% for the year. I think you're fine. As a matter of fact, I actually would be inclined to buy some here. I don't want you to sell that stock. Let's go to Carter in Tennessee. Carter.
Jim, tell me what you think about SailPoint, S-A-L-I-L.
No, that's the kind of enterprise software that I just can't tolerate right now. I just do not want to be in anything like that. The only one that my travel trust is in is Salesforce, and even there, they punish you every day on the darn thing. So let's steer clear of SailPoint. Why don't we go to Peter in Florida? Peter.
A warm and sunny booyah, Jim, from Dr. Pete in Bonita Springs. I wish you a happy and healthy New Year.
I like Bonita Springs. Thank you.
Radiant Logistics.
An interesting company. I like the logistics company. I like the truckload company, but I have to tell you, I come back. If you're going to be in that business, you want to be in FedEx. They got the logistics that you need. I'm not kidding. FDX. Kevin in California. Kevin.
Hi, Jim. Calling you from warm and sunny Whittier, California. Longtime listener. I just wish I listened to you and took your advice more often. Otherwise, I wouldn't be calling you right now.
We're fine. We're fine.
I own Amgen and with my own cash, and I've done good with First Solar, but I bought it on Monday at $275 on margin, and I was a big pig.
Whoa, no, we don't want that. You don't live in it. You can do a loan for a house. You can live in it. The president says corporations don't live in them. But First Solar is not good enough to be that. It's 16 times earnings, but I like the company very much. But no, you're gonna have to take. You have to cut your losses. I will not. I can't tolerate people buying on margin. Let's go to Matthew in Texas. Matthew.
Yes, sir. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
All right. So I've got this company I've been watching for a while. They make batteries for drones, satellites. They've had a nice pullback. What's your thoughts on Amprius Technology?
An interesting spec. I was thinking about them when Ford decided to no longer do its battery business. I think you have something there. It's a nice spec and it's come down. I am going to say that that's a good one. Let's go to Craig in Tennessee. Craig.
Booyah, Jim from Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh, my God, Nashville. I mean, if one more person tells me to go to Nashville, what can I say? I'm going to Nashville. How can I help you?
You need to do a show from here, Jim, that's for sure. Jim, I've had a stock for about a year now that I've lost 23% on. I need to know what to do with ticker symbol ARM.
Oh, with ARM Holdings. That's Renee Haas. I think he's doing a real good job. I don't know why the stock keeps going down. I think I'm a buyer, not a seller. What can I say? I think Renee's doing a good job. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, with more companies considering nuclear energy to power their ventures, Cramer's tuning his microscope to see when or if it could happen. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.